Hi everyone, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to add mixed numbers or mixed fractions. So what if guys, ganito naman yung given natin, magkaiba yung denominators natin or unlike fractions. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung two different methods pero we come up with the same answer. Okay, method number 1. So for method number 1, ipag-add lang natin yung whole numbers natin. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So guys, dito ipapakita ko step by step process para mas malinaw sa bawat isa. And then, yung fractions natin, ipag-add natin yan. So we have 5 over 4 plus 8 over 5. So guys, dito hindi tayo magda-direct na add kasi magkaiba yung denominators natin. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kunin natin yung LCD ng 4 and 5. So, paano tayo kumuha ng LCD? So, ililist daw natin yung multiples of 4 and 5, right? So, for 4, that is 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, 4 times 4 equals 16, 4 times 5 equals 20. And then, sa 5 naman, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20. So guys, dito, kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong magkapares sa number which is 20, right? So yung 20, that will be your LCD. Okay, or the least common denominator. Okay, so magiging LCD natin yan guys. So ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5 times 5, 25. So, ulit, yung LCD ay 20. 20 divided by 4 ay 5 times 5, 25. Gets? Plus, 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 8, 32. So, dito guys, ang gagawin natin ay, since we come up with similar fractions na, add lang natin yan. 25 plus 32, that is equal to 57 over 20. So guys, dito kung mapapansin natin, nag-come up tayo sa improper fraction. So, kapag nag-come up tayo sa improper fraction, so dapat i-change natin sa mixed number. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yon? Let's divide. So we have 57 divided by 20. So, ilang 20 minus 57? We have 2, right? So, 2 times 20, we have 40. So, subtract natin to guys. 57 minus 40. So, the answer is 17. Okay? By the way, dito guys, meron pa tayong 5. Do not forget. So, 5 plus. So, after natin ma-divide to guys, itong quotient na to, na 2, ito guys, magiging whole number ng fraction. Okay? And yung remainder, magiging numerator. So, 17. And then yung divisor na 20, magiging denominator natin. So, over 20. And here, pwede na tayo mag-add. So, ito ay magiging 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then 17 over 20. 17 over 20. So, this will be your answer. Okay? So, now, let's prove using method number 2 na 7 and 17 over 20 pa rin yung magiging sagot natin. Okay, so, guys, dito naman, unang gagawin nyo or the first step, itong 2 and 5 over 4 express natin into improper fraction. Okay? So, 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 5, 13, right? So, 13, copy the denominator which is 4 plus, ganun din, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa kabila, apply natin dito. 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 8, 23, right? Over 5. So, guys, dito, paano ba tayo mag-add? Hindi tayo mag-add ng directly. Okay? Kasi, magkaiba yan. So, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin yung LCD. And we all know that the LCD is 20, right? So, 20. Okay, so 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 13. Very good. 65. Tama? 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 23. So, 92. Okay. And then, since we come up with similar fractions, so what do we do kapag similar fractions? Ipinag-add lang natin yan. Copy the denominator, add the numerators. 65 plus 92 ay 157. Okay? So, dito guys, nag-come up ulit tayo sa improper fraction. So, i-divide natin to. So, we have 157 as your dividend. Okay, so 20. Ilang 20 meron sa 15 cannot be. So, take the another digit. Ilang 20 meron sa 157. Of course, we have 7. Tama? So, 7 times 20, 140. So, subtract guys. 157 minus 140. So, ang sagot dito ay 17. Okay. So, dito guys, ayan, yung quotient natin magiging whole number at yung remainder magiging numerator dito. So, 17 over, tapos yung divisor na 20, of course, it serves as our denominator. So, guys, kung mapapansin natin, magkaparehas yung sagot natin using different methods. Okay? Kung may natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.